In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove items from an array in Power Automate Flow. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring that it's both clear and easy to follow. Imagine you have a need to manipulate data within a flow, such as modifying an array by removing specific elements. Whether you're a seasoned Power Automate user or just starting out, this guide is designed to be straightforward and accessible. First things first, we need to initialize our array variable. This is an essential step because the remove_at function in Power Automate requires that the array be mutable, meaning it can change. To start, you're going to add an action called initializeVariable. You'll find this under the Variables connector. Now, when setting this up, you'll want to configure it with a name, type, and value. Let's name our array variable myArray for simplicity. As for the type, it needs to be set as an array. For the value, let's use a simple example like apple, banana, cherry, date. This series of steps effectively prepares your data for the modification process. With your array initialized, the next part is to determine which item you want to remove. Arrays are zero-indexed, which is an important concept to understand. This means that the first item in your array corresponds to index 0. So, if you wish to remove cherry, you'll want to target index 2. Identifying the correct index is crucial to ensuring that the correct item gets removed. Next, we'll dive into using the remove_at expression, which is the core of actually removing the item. To do this, you'll employ the setVariable action. This action will replace the current array with a new, modified array that no longer contains the item you want to remove. So go ahead and add an action called variables, setVariable. Here, you'll select myArray as the variable you're working with. In the value field, you'll want to switch over to the expression tab. This is where you'll enter the remove_at formula, specifically targeting index 2, which corresponds to the item we want to remove. This step updates the array so that cherry is removed, resulting in a new array version. Finally, it's time to verify your work. Save your flow and conduct a manual test to confirm everything is functioning as intended. After executing the setVariable step, you should inspect the myArray variable's value. This is where you ensure that the array has been modified correctly and cherry is no longer part of it. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently remove items from an array within Power Automate, streamlining your workflow and enhancing your data manipulation capabilities. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!